Hello friends, welcome to Infotech Solution. Today we will discuss how to clear YouTube watch and search history. The process of deleting all YouTube history is not that simple, but no worries. I'm going to show you some easier ways to do it. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Before anything else, all you need to do is open the YouTube application on your mobile phone. Once you open the YouTube application, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This type of page will appear and you can see the history option here. You simply have to tap on the View All option on the right side, and all your history will appear. Here, you can delete your history one by one. What you can do is simply tap on these three dots. A pop-up will appear, and you just tap on Remove from Watch History. As you can see, there are a lot of videos, and it will take a long time to delete them. So what you can do is delete all of them at once. For this, you just tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen, and a pop-up will appear with some options. You just tap on the second option, which is Clear All Watch History. Another pop-up will appear. Again, tap on Clear Watch History, and you will see your history is deleted. Now let's delete all search history. For this, go back and tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. When the settings page opens, you simply tap on the Manage All History option. The history page will open. Just scroll, and you can see all my YouTube history. Again, you can delete all the history, date-wise and one by one, simply by tapping on this cross button. You can see there is too much history, and it will take more time to delete. So here again, we can delete all the history at once. Simply tap on this delete option, and a pop-up will appear with some options, like you can delete today's history, another option for custom range, and lastly, delete all time. I am going to delete all my history, so I will tap on Delete All Time. A confirmation pop-up will appear. You just tap over the Delete option from the bottom right. Another pop-up will appear. Tap OK, and you can see the history is deleted. See how easy it was to clear YouTube watch and search history.